This is the playroom. We're gonna be doing. Wait, let me just use some magic. Abracadabra, alakazam, make the surprise come alive. Whoa, my magic seriously worked. Today we're gonna be doing glow in the dark slime and clear slime with spiders in it. There's spiders in here, isn't there? I really seriously used Halloween magic. I need to be careful and cautious next time. Want to guys see what's in these happy pumpkins? There is some googly eyes. You guys want to see? You guys can see some googly eyes, can't you guys? They're like tiny googly eyes. I'm not sure if you guys can see them, but they're in my hands. Alright, and there's some baking soda in here, which we're going to need for that. And then we're going to add some... Oh no, please don't. Spiders. I hate spiders. I hate them so much, but they aren't real. Okay, just hang on there, little spider. Wait, I forgot. The contact solution, we are going to be using the baking soda to make the activator. This already has the activator inside, but we're going to create our own activator. And we're going to be using some clear slime here, of course. We're going to make the clear slime with spiders in it. And we're going to use these as a bowl. Now let's get to it. Boom. I'm going to be doing my homemade DIY clear slime. Okay, I'm going to take off this cap. Woohoo! Pig farting. I think, but that can be enough. That can be enough. I think we're drizzling too much. I'm gonna drizzle some magic baking soda. No, magic baking soda. Just baking soda. I'm just calling it magical baking soda because it's almost Halloween. Just a little bit. And I think that's enough. I'm gonna make some spooky slime. It's like making stew, but it's fine. We're going to make it stew. It's not stew, it's slime. I think it's fine to make it mine. It is so fine. I really like it. It's mine. All right. Whoa, it looks creepy. We're going to add a little drops of contact solution. Ah! It squirts out. We're going to stir it, and if it doesn't really work, I'm going to add a little more. Whoa, it's starting to stir. I'm not gonna touch it. Don't touch it right now. We're gonna need a couple more squirts. Whoa. Keep stirring again. Whoa, this looks so cool. You guys wanna see how it looks like? Ah! It looks so cool. Just kidding, everyone. We need to add a little more squirts, but big squirt. Whoa, it's getting more sticky, like slime. Ah! We're going to move this spoon. This is how your slime should look like, not really sticky. If it's sticky, add some more contact solution. Whoa, and then we're gonna be ready to add some spideys. All right, here they are. We're gonna add some spiders. Spiders crawling in the slime, getting ready for happy Halloween, happy Halloween, happy Halloween. Spiders come out to play all day. They walk today, they slap today, they nap today. I think that's enough. I think we need to add a little more here because that's just a little bit of spiders. Oh, there's some bats in here. Forgot to mention there's vampire bats. I'm gonna drizzle some all around. Whee! It's gonna be a spooky party. Happy Halloween. We're gonna fold it so all the bats and spiders can catch it everywhere. Now we're gonna have to wait for a while so the bubbles can rise up, and it could be a bright, clear spiderweb and slime. Whoa, it looks so creepy, like a spiderweb. Whoa, this is how it's supposed to look like. It's so creepy. It's a cool spiderweb. Don't kill me for the spiders. Spiders don't actually kill you, but this is not real. But this is so amazing. This is like a real spiderweb, like spiders caught some bats. This is a cool gift to give to your cousins, friends, anybody who you care about most. Just to know that you can have fun during the Halloween time, because it's not recommended and it's not safe to go out for now. Whoa, now we're gonna do the Elmers one, and this is how my homemade looks like after. Whoa, it's a spider web. Okay, let's move this to the side. Let's do the Elmers slime. All right, let's unbox this. Oh, look it. There's the instructions. Cool. That's what we're gonna have to be following. Whoa, 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 whoa. There's a lot of things in here. Is this eggs? Magical liquid. Whoa. Is this really magical? Whoa! Oh, glow in the dark glue? This is gonna be so much fun! And it says that it comes with another one here. Whoa! Awesome! What else is in here? Oh. And more magical liquid to make too. This contact solution, because we already have some magical liquid here. We don't need this. We don't need this. Let's add it right here. And we're gonna pick one. We have all of. I just noticed this sky. They have like some sparkles here. Can you guys try to see it? But there's some sparkles here. It's cool. Alright, I'm thinking about this one because it's kind of like bright, as I think, and it's gonna turn out really neon when it's in the dark. Not as this one, but we'll do this next time. So we're gonna add some Google eyes to this one. Whoa. Okay, I think that's enough. We're gonna add the Elmer's magical liquid. Oh wait, I'm gonna need this first. Add 2 teaspoons of Elmer's magical liquid and mix well. Then add about a little bit at a time, about 1 teaspoon worth. All right, we're gonna add 2 teaspoons. See, that's enough. So I think the next one is we need to mix well, like this. Stirring, I'm stirring, I'm stirring my slime. It's cool, it's fool. It's not a fool, but it's cool. It's fun to play all day. Yay! We're stirring my slime. It's cool at a pool, and it's really scary. Ended up adding almost a whole bottle of the Elmer's magical liquid because it didn't look like slime. So we added almost all the bottle, and this is how it's supposed to look like. Ooh. And now the fun part. We're gonna add some googly eyes so it can be a slime monster. Okay. I don't have a lot of googly eyes, but you guys can try to see them. Can you try to see them? Okay. Wow. Alright, now for the fun part. We're gonna make it glow in the dark. Took a picture in the dark and it was so cool. It looks so cool when it's in the dark, and it's so fun to play with. Which one was your favorite? I would say both of them because they were both cool and easy to make. And this one was so cool too because it looks like a slime monster, and this looks like a spider web where the spiders caught bats in their spider web. Oh, feel the same. smooth, and fun to play. It looks so cool. Okay, good. Okay, good. You guys rather make the homemade slime that I made with the contact solution and the baking soda, or would you guys rather make the Elmers slime that I used from the kit with the magical liquid and those googly eyes? Don't forget to subscribe, like, please do, and hit the bell, and we'll see you in my next video. Goodbye!